An 18-year-old North Greene High School student will not return to school after bringing an AR-15 rifle to campus, but the district attorney told us the boy will not face criminal charges. The director of schools confirmed a boy brought the gun, which was not loaded, along with a case that had a loaded magazine inside it, to school Monday, February 26th. District Attorney Dan Armstrong told us the teenager spent the weekend target shooting and forgot that the rifle was in his trunk. The DA says as soon as the boy realized, he self-reported the situation to the main office. Armstrong said there's no criminal intent in the case, telling us the student did what I would want him to do, end quote. Director of Schools David McLean says the child is now enrolled at the district's alternative school. He added no students or staff were ever in danger. The Carter County